This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
So I'm just gonna be the bearer of bad news. Is that how it goes? Bearer of bad news. Room makeover, final reveal, part 2, not happening today. It's happening next week. Today, I'm gonna try to make an outfit in a few hours. So for a while now, I have been wanting a striped skirt like this. Probably knitted in this photo. I'm not doing that today because I have this striped fabric that I thrifted a while ago that I'm gonna make a skirt out of. But maybe in the future, I will get on my knitting machine and I will knit a skirt like that. Next thing, I'm thinking turning this fabric I have here into a long sleeve. And then lastly, not sure if I'm gonna do this, but I got this waffle white fabric here and I thought this could be really nice as a t-shirt overlay above, over top of that long sleeve, maybe. Hola, amigos. Jack. So for my patterns, I don't have perfect patterns, okay? And I don't have time to make perfect patterns or go out and research and find perfect patterns. So what I'm doing is using what I have and I'm just gonna hack them. So for the skirt, I don't have any patterns for skirts, so I'm actually taking this skirt that is, oh gosh, this is, it's my favorite. And then for my long sleeve and short sleeve, I actually do have a long sleeve pattern from my friend Jenna. So I am actually just going to use this and hack it a little bit so it fits the fit I want. So this fabric here, I actually got when I was in New York and I got it from Mid Fabric. You know, I lived my fashion designer dream there and I got it for a top. I knew I wanted to make a top, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, is it enough? So I'm thinking, because I have white thread in my serger here, this is good cheese. I should probably start with the white shirt. And then I can switch it up to my brown thread for the other two. They're darker. Last piece, and then I'll start. Is it weird that I'm legit sewing in my kitchen and filming all my videos in my kitchen now? Like, no. First step of my t-shirt, shoulder seams. I was really worried it was gonna be like really stretched out and wavy at the seams, but the seams actually look pretty good. The only thing looking at this now, I feel like I want the sleeves a bit shorter. I haven't hemmed them yet, but I definitely want to hem them like a good amount. This is the most satisfying part where you're doing the sides of the arms all the way down here. The chest is looking a little big, but we'll try it on. We'll give it a chance. Okay, so 2 things I want to fix. Right off the bat, you can see right here, this is really high, the neckline. So I'm gonna bring the neckline just down a tad bit. I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut it. And I was right, the chest here is kind of big. So I'm gonna try to see if I can bring it in a bit, like the shoulders. Shoulders are definitely better. I'm not gonna say that was the right way to do it where I just kept sewing and sewing around in circles until it fit better. You should probably seam rip it and redo it, but you know, I'm hacking it together, so I feel like that's better. Still nice little oversized, but the only thing is I do feel like the neck is too high still. I need to trim it a bit more. So for the collar, I'm just gonna do like a little baby collar. That would be kind of like the binding. Okay, this shirt, it is pretty much done on the serger. I have to finish the cuffs, no, shoulders, sleeves. The sleeves and the bottom on my other sewing machine, so we're just gonna put this to the side and work on the other top. So pretty much for the shirt here now, the long sleeve, it's the exact same except I'm making a long sleeve version of it. So for this one, it is a knit, and honestly it's kind of nice the way how it just has like a raw edge, so I actually might not finish it. I might just add the turtleneck here and then be done with it. Let's try this on. How does it look? Oh, that is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not even here, so I'm gonna have to do a little trim around, but for the most part, it fits really good. Look at this. This is actually pretty quick to make this one. Woo. I have nothing else to say, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, that was really off. Okay, now for the skirt. Am I crazy to think that these two are gonna look good together? Like, I feel like they would look good together. I really don't know. I'm really just shooting in the dark here. For a skirt, this theoretically should be easier than the tops because it's two pieces. We're just sewing a side seam, and then all we have to do is put the elastic in. Even though that could be a little tricky, but it's still only two seams. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you guys have not heard of Squarespace before, they are this amazing website where you guys can go and create your own professional looking website. Personally, I made my own website with Squarespace, and there's a few features that I actually really love about them. One, you can have an online store with physical and digital products. Two, if you sell locally, you can also offer local pickup. And three, if you're an artist designer like myself, but you don't have any products you want to sell, but you want to showcase your work, you can also use their digital gallery feature to showcase it to your clients, and you can even add a password so only certain clients can see it. Head to squarespace.com/JennaPhipps if you guys want to try out Squarespace and get your free trial. And then after your free trial, be sure to use my code JennaPhipps at checkout, and you'll actually get 10% off your website or domain. Next, what I'm doing is I have my elastic here that is measured at my waist here, and I don't want to get my other sewing machine out. I'm gonna see if I can try to finish all these pieces on my serger, and I'm just gonna sew them together on the side. Like that. Now it's a tube. I am gonna try to sew this along the top of the skirt. The elastic's too big. I measured it wrong. It's supposed to be tight here like this. No. There we go. Now, that might be a little tight. A little bit tighter than I probably wanted, but that's okay. We can work with this. Pretty cool, right? Ow. Ooh. You were filming still? Ow. Okay, so to finish all of the edges on my two projects, I'm gonna be using the twin needle. Ignore the $7.69. This will give it that effect of cover stitch machine. I know I'm not supposed to be using serger thread for the other thread because I need 2 threads going through this machine now, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Doesn't that look so good? It's 5:07, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this all done. Yeah, probably not. Yeah, that sucks. I feel like this top is too long, so I'm just gonna cut it. Yeah. Oh wait, shoot! I'm supposed to hem it. I'm supposed to, dang it, okay. Well, this is gonna be an itty bitty crop top now. This looks terrible. Major crop top. Excuse me. Goodie. See if this is too short now. Did I get it the perfect length by accident? This is kind of the perfect length, right? Yeah, this is the perfect length. It's perfect for high-waisted pants. Or at least for this outfit, it's perfect. So I don't think I have multiple, any red or like pink colors for the skirt. So I think we're just gonna have to do a white top stitch for this. Jenna, that's not good craftsmanship. Brr. I just cut a hole in my skirt. Where's the seam ripper? So I probably would have finished all my pieces if I didn't have to seam rip this. I'm still seam ripping the skirt, taking forever. But I actually have to go now because I have to meet my friend in 15 minutes at a restaurant. So I'm not gonna be able to wear the full look, but I'm going to finish the skirt tomorrow morning. And then I'll show you guys the full look and maybe even make another piece, you know, to finish off the outfit. Okay, bye. Zipper zipped, buttons clipped. Boop, boop. Okay. Well, story time. I was just like talking to the camera for a while now before this, and I realized that the microphone was not on. I also finished the waistband here without the microphone on. Looks great. And I realized that I probably, if I gave myself 15 more minutes yesterday when I was working on these pieces, I would have had the whole outfit complete. Like that's all I need was 15 minutes because I got this done in like 2 seconds, and now all I have to do is just hem the bottom of the skirt, and then the whole outfit is theoretically done. So I'm thinking, length of this skirt, I am just gonna match it with this. Or actually make it maybe slightly longer maybe. Right here, this is a great line to cut. Let's finish this bad boy up. Great job, Jenna. Way the heck in there. Hang in there. You didn't give up. We're proud of you. I'm proud of you. Do 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 do. It's actually really good, this hem. Probably my best hem ever. Okay. I'm kind of nervous to see how this whole outfit looks together. Okay, so I put shoes on for you guys so you guys can see the whole fit. Break. What do we think? What do we think of my few hours fit here? Do we like it? Because honestly, it's kind of what I imagined. Like, I actually really do like this. I was a little unsure. I was like, okay. Beginning, I was like, yes, this is gonna be great. Then the middle, thought, no, it's not gonna be that great. By the end, back and forth again. And then now that I have it on, it's exactly what I imagined. And better yet, it's the easiest pieces I've ever made in my lifetime. Boom, boom, boom. Now, if it was only not snowing out and slushy out, then this would be a great outfit to wear out. If it was warmer, too. Well, that's it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see another, few hour outfit challenge next time. If I do ever do this again, I will try to actually do it in a few hours and not prolong it and then leave 15 minutes and then finish the 15 minutes later. I will try to do it all at once, but that's it. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and if not, bye. Bye.